Namaste, my name is Kajol, and I was doing a reading about myself. And I was trying to explore cartomancy with a neutral perspective without, knowing the meanings and everything. I wanted to explore cartomancy without any judgment, yeah, so to say. With the cards of what meaning it could hold or what meaning it would have, like a experiment. So I was about to receive a deck today, a tarot deck I ordered, and I received it just now. So last night I did pull 3 cards for what will happen, like will I like the deck or something. Yeah. Basically, I think my main question, I don't really remember. I just remember these cards. I don't really remember the main question, but it was something about how will the experience be with the deck, what will happen when I receive the deck. Yeah, something like that. Will I like it, dislike it, what will happen? Yeah, so I think yeah, that's all I remember right now. So with these 3 cards, I can say the deck here shows the Ace of Hearts. So I'm not using any special cartomancy meanings here. I'm just trying to do an experiment and see what this card means in general for me, and for you maybe it also can be helpful. So I'm seeing this Ace of Hearts as I love the cards. So actually when I received the deck, I loved it. It was so pretty, so pretty. I wanted to use it immediately. And I'm looking at this Ace of Hearts. It's like I loved it, so I think, yeah, this kind of came up true, this prediction. I loved the deck. But the problem is usually when I receive this card, when I do readings for myself and I receive this card, it always talks about some sort of heartbreak for me. Okay. I think in David J. Arcuri meanings, this is the love card, or this is the card of a young girl, but for me it comes up like a heartbreak. For some reason I always see this card coming in like in a cheating situation, when in a betrayal situation, or when I'm heartbroken or sad about something. So I don't know. So for me this seemed like I love it, but also I'm sad, or I feel cheated or something. So I was confused about this reading, but I did not really bother. I'm like, let's see what happens. So actually, surprisingly, I felt a little bit cheated. Although I loved the deck, I loved the art, I loved everything about the deck. The deck came in a beautiful condition, but it did not came up with the book, the guidebook. So I was like little bit heartbroken because the deck was so pretty, and I wanted the book also to see what the author has to say about each card. I always read the book because I think personally the book tells us the idea, the perspective of the author while drawing that card, of making that card, and it makes a whole lot of difference in our readings. We get a perspective and we are accurate in our readings in that way. So I wanted the book. I actually was excited about the book more than the cards, because I saw those cards all over the internet already so many times. So I was excited about the book. But I did not receive the book. So I think this indeed is like correct prediction, that this card does come up when I'm disappointed or when I'm heartbroken. So I don't know what your experience is going to be. Even David J. Arcudi says that you can have your own meanings of the card. So maybe in my situation, this card shows up different. It doesn't show love as such. It shows a little bit like cheating or something. So I returned the deck. I filed for the return today. I just received it today, few minutes back, like 20 minutes or 30 minutes back, and I filed for the return also. Return also. I can't speak right now, sorry. So I think, yeah, this is the experience today with me. I really don't want to return the deck. The deck is pretty, but I wanted the book, so I was like feeling like this. Okay. And I wanted it to be complete package. So yeah, that's it. That's all I want to say about this. Maybe this is helpful for you if you're trying to do some cartomancy pulls. These are very helpful actually, and I think these 3 cards make sense for me today. And I did this reading yesterday night, and yeah, that's all I want to say about this. Thank you so much for watching. I hope it helps somebody somewhere out there, and let me know what do you think or what your interpretation of these cards are. Thank you.